everyone, this is Rajni Bala, your mathematics teacher, is again here with revision of chapter number 3, part 2. In the previous part, we have discussed about number of solutions of pair of linear equation in two variables. Today's topic, we will discuss about the methods to find the solution of pair of linear equation in two variables. As previously also we have done, we have four methods to simplify pair of linear equation in two variables. The first one is substitution method, the second one is elimination method, third one is cross multiplication method, and the fourth one is graphical method. In today's video, we will discuss about first two methods. By taking one example, I will simplify that example with both the methods, substitution and elimination method. So let us continue with our example. So taking our example, that is 3x plus 4y equals to 10 and 2x minus 2y equals to 4. In this, let us mark the first equation as number 1 and the second as number 2. We know that substitution means using the value of one variable on the place of the another one. So from equation number 1, I will get the value of the variable x and I will replace that in equation number 2. From equation number 1, I want to get the value of variable x. So I will take the number with variable y on the other hand side along with the 10. The sign will be changed, that is minus 4y now. X will be equal to 10 minus 4y divided by 3. Let us mark that as number 4. Now, put value of x in equation number 2. Putting the value of x in equation number 2, I get 2 into 10 minus 4y over 3. On the place of x, I have replaced the value I got from equation number 1. Then minus 2y equals to 2. Let us simplify by taking LCM. 2 into 10 minus 4y. If I take LCM, here will be minus 6y equals to 2. Doing cross multiplication and simplifying, I get 20 minus 8y minus 6y is equal to 6. Equating the coefficients of y and constants, I get 20 minus 6 is equal to 14y. So 14 is equal to 14y. From this I get the value of y, that is equals to 1. Let us mark this as number 5. Let us put the value of y, that is equal to 1 in equation number 4. I get x is equal to 10 minus 4, on place of y I put 1 over 3. 10 minus 4, that is 6 over 3 is equal to 2. So solution of particular set of given equations is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. This solution I have found from applying first method, that is called substitution. Now let us simplify the same question with the another method, that is elimination method. So let's start. In this method, I have to equalize the coefficients either of x or of y, so that I may eliminate one of the coefficients either of x or of y to get the value of the other variable. So let us proceed. I will mark both equation as number 1 and 2 respectively. Now I will equate the coefficients 3 and 2. They are the coefficients of x. I will equalize them. To equalize, I will multiply equation number 1 by 2 and equation number 2 by 3 and subtracting both equation. I get 6x by multiplying equation number 1 with 2. 3 into 2 is 6x plus 4y into 2, that is 8y equals to 10 multiply 2, that is 20. Now I will multiply equation number 2 with 3. I get 2x into 3, that is 6x. 2y into 3, that is 6y. equals to 2 into 3, that is 6. Subtracting both equation, I have to change the sign of the downward equation. Which number is with plus sign, that will be now of minus, and minus 1, that will be of plus now. 6 is of plus, that will be of minus now. You may cancel both. 8x plus 6x becomes 14y, 20 minus 6, that becomes again 14. So y will be equal to 14 divided by 14 is 1. From this I got value of y, that is equal to 1. By simplifying the same question with method of substitution, I also got the value of y as 1. Now it is the turn to get the value of x. This value of y I can put in any of the equation, either in the equation number 1 or in 2. I will put this value in equation number 1. So let us write, put y is equal to 1 in equation number 1, that is 3x plus 4, on place of y I put 1, is equal to 10. Simplifying this, 3x is equal to 10 minus 4. So 3x is equal to 6. Simplifying this, I get x is equal to 6 divided by 3, that is 2. So you can see from this question, solving by elimination method, again I got the same set of solutions, that is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Let us take one more example, that is with the constants like a and b. The next question is px plus qy equals to p minus q. The other equation is qx minus py equal to p plus q. Whereas you have to get the value of x and y, means we will consider x and y as the variables, whereas p and q are treated as constants here. This question I have taken from your miscellaneous exercise. Let us simplify this equation with the method of eliminating terms. I have to equalize the coefficients either of x or y. So equalizing them, I will multiply equation number 1 with q and equation number 2 with p. By multiplying first equation with q, I get p into q into x plus q into q is q square into y is equal to p into q is pq minus q into q is q square. Now let us multiply second equation with p. I get pq into x minus p square into y is equal to p square plus pq. After multiplying, we will subtract both equations. I have to change the signs now. Here will be negative, this will be of plus, this will be negative, this also will be negative. You can see here pqx, that is of plus, here pqx is of minus. It will be cancelled now. Now let us equate the terms with the variable y, that is p square plus q square into y. Y I have taken as common. From this I will write all the terms, pq minus q square, then minus p square, then minus pq. This may be cancelled. Same terms with opposite signs. Here you get p square plus q square in bracket into y. From these two terms I can take negative sign common. I get p square plus q square inside the bracket. Here I get y is equal to minus p square plus q square over p square plus q square. You may cancel both terms. You will get from here y is equal to minus 1. You can put this value of y is equal to minus 1 in any of the equation, either in 1 or 2. So let us put this value in equation number 1. Put y is equal to minus 1 in equation number 1. So p into x plus q into y, that is minus 1, is equal to p minus q. Let us simplify. Px minus q is equal to p minus q. Take the constants on one side. I get q will be equal to, q will be cancelled with negative q. Px is equal to p. So x is equal to, from here, p divided by p, that is equal to 1. So solution set of the given particular set of equations is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1. Keep revising chapter number 3 Thank you and have a nice day.